Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to watch Weverse live. First of all, open the Weverse application. You can see over here Weverse application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to watch the live, it is actually very simple. At top, you'll be able to see all of your communities over here. Simply tap on the community of your choice. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to access the information regarding this community over here. You can find the options like highlight, fan, artist, fan letter, etc. Right over here, what you have to do is find the option for live and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all the live replays over here. Also, if they are live right now, you'll also be able to see that. So what you have to do is tap on the live that you would like to watch. Now you can see over here the live will be played. So like this, you'll be able to watch it. So that is how you watch Weverse live. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.